Welcome back to the Max and Me channel. I thought I would revive the vintage knives collection videos, and for this installment I'm going to show this lovely little gem that I just picked up. It is a Boston Gas edition Victorinox Classic SD from the mid to late 90s. It's in mint shape, doesn't have a scratch on it. This was in a jacket pocket for about 25 years or so, whatever it is. And there's your tweezers. And it's got all the Swiss Army knife favorites in my opinion. The toothpick. And for those of you that don't know, the Classic is one of the most known knives in the world, the Victorinox Classic. Another favorite of mine when it comes to multi-tooled knives is the scissors. A must-have in my opinion. These are great scissors. They work excellent. And your blade, pen blade. See there, it says Victorinox, Switzerland stainless rustify. Right there on the blade. And what makes it an SD is on the file, the point is not just a point, it's a screwdriver, a flat tip screwdriver. That's how you tell the difference in models between a Classic and a Classic SD, is the file tip is a screwdriver. The Classic is also known for having the lanyard loop on it. Again, this knife will be going up for sale on my Etsy shop page. My Etsy shop is Vintage Glories 617, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Come back for more. We'll be doing another edition of Vintage Knives Collection very soon. Thanks again, YouTube. Peace out, everyone.